Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to enable standby mode on Galaxy A55 5G. So basically guys, standby mode is equal to AOD basically, and AOD is always on display. So you can set up the always on display also for standby mode. Like just go to always on display and this is how it's look like. Like if your phone is on, if your phone is on standby, so you can use always on display for standby mode like this. But if you want any other application or any other things, so I am giving you the application. Firstly, you have to go to Play Store and then search for a big clock display digital. So by the way guys, this one is the application huge digital clock. Just install this application and this is how it's look like. So just installing this application. Now click to open. Okay guys, I am giving you the review about it, that how it's look like. And we have this default theme here, so just I'm selecting default theme and click select and continue, allow the notification, and guys, that's how it's look like when the mobile phone is on standby. So this type of interface come on the screen, and we can also use quick setting from here. So that's how guys we can use a standby mode in Galaxy A55 5G. So that's it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.